Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss and complete Backstage View File tab. We are going to discuss Save and Save As. So, click on File to get Backstage View and we are going to discuss Save. We can save file by different three ways. By click Save from here, you save the file, or you can save the file by press Ctrl and S, so you save the file. Also, you can save the file by using quick access toolbar from here, because I checked for save, so I have save. I can save by clicking this icon from quick access toolbar. So there are three different ways: using file, save, or Ctrl S, or from here from quick access toolbar. Also, you can adjust the sheet option to save every 3 minutes automatically save your sheet every 3 minutes. Just click on File, More, Options, and from Save, check on Save Auto Recover Information Every, type 3. So you automatically save your sheet every 3 minutes. Okay, you can choose 2 minutes, you can choose 1 minute, it's up to you, but I prefer 3 minutes. Okay, the default settings is 10 minutes. Okay. The second thing in this lecture, we are discussing Save As. File, Save As, Browse, and you can save the file in the location in your personal computer. So just type name. I type, for example, Smarter Excel Python المسلمي. This is the file name. Well, you can save thumbnail or uncheck for thumbnail. If you want thumbnail, check it. If you don't, remove it. Okay, you can save workbook as Excel workbook or Excel macro enabled workbook if you're using macro and Visual Basic programming, or you can save the workbook as CSV, delimited, like that. This is CSV file. Also, you can save workbook as PDF from here. Let's change the name. PDF. Save. This is PDF file. Also, you can save the file as web page from here. Select web page and save. Let's change the file name by web page. Yes. This is web page, and this is all sheets here. As a web page, I save this file with all sheets, workbook sheets, as a web page on my Google Chrome application. Also, I can save old version of this workbook by selecting Excel 97 here. Also, I can select as a text if I want. So generally we save the workbook as Excel workbook. If you want other thing such as CSV, comma delimited, or web page, or PDF, or old version, you can do that by using save as type. Moreover, you can use tools to set a password for your sheet. If you want to protect your sheet or set a password for your workbook, you just select here from tools, again from tools, general options, and set password. Let's write password 1 1, and if you want to create a backup from this sheet, just select always create backup. You can also make your sheet read only if you want. Just click here and OK. Re-enter password to proceed. 1. OK, I select 1. Re-enter password to modify. I select also 1. OK. And I will select Excel workbook. I will rename my file to be Smarter Excel password with password and save it in my desktop. So go here to my desktop. Here's our file, Smarter Excel with password, and open it. Here, Smarter Excel with password is protected. So if you want to open this file, you should have the password, and password here is 1. Okay, and password to open read only is also 1. Yes, here is our protected sheet after entering password. The final thing I would like to say here in this lecture is the extension of the Excel file. Right click, properties, and you will find extension here, XLSX. Again, .xlsx. Okay? Finally, let's summarize this lecture. You can save the workbook from here, File, Save, or you can use Save icon from Quick Access Toolbar, or you can press Ctrl plus S to save your file. If you want to save as, from File, Save As, Browse, select write a file name, then select the save as type. You can select workbook, Excel workbook, or old version from Excel 97, or CSV, delimited, or macro enabled. If you use Visual Basic and the macro programming, you can save the file as PDF, and you can save the file also as a web page. Okay, also if you want to protect your workbook sheet, you can set a password from here, general options, and write your password here and again here to modify. You can read only, make your file read only if you want. Also, you can always create backup by check here. Okay, after that you can select the location. You can save your file for a specific folder in your PC if you want. This is about the lecture today. Please practice this lecture and invest your time and effort in this course to master Microsoft Excel. See you in the next lecture, and goodbye.